In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the financial year in Zoho Books. We'll go step by step, nice and slowly, so you can follow along on your own screen and update your fiscal year settings with confidence. First, open your browser and go to books.zoho.com. This is the main sign-in page for Zoho Books. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in with your Zoho account. Make sure you choose the correct organization if you manage more than one business in Zoho Books, because the financial year settings apply to the specific organization you're currently viewing. Once you're in your Zoho Books dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the universal symbol for settings inside Zoho. This is where all your organization level preferences are stored. Click on that gear icon to open the settings menu. After clicking the gear icon, a list of options will appear. From this list, you want to select the option labeled Profile. This section controls key details about your organization, such as your business name, address, tax information, and of course, your fiscal year configuration. Go ahead and click Profile to open that page. When the profile page loads, you'll see several sections of information about your organization. What you're looking for is the part that mentions the fiscal year or financial year. This is usually located a bit further down the page, so scroll down slowly until you find the field labeled fiscal year or something similar. Take a moment here to note what your current financial year settings are, especially the starting month and any displayed format, so you understand what you're changing from. Now that you've located the fiscal year section, it's time to change it. Click on the fiscal year setting to edit it. Zoho Books typically lets you choose the starting month of your financial year. So for example, you might switch from a calendar year starting in January to a financial year starting in April or July, depending on your local regulations or company policy. Select the option that best matches your required financial year. Before you save, think about the timing of this change. It's generally best to adjust your financial year at the beginning of a new period rather than in the middle of active accounting, so your reports remain consistent. If you're unsure about which fiscal year you should be using, you may want to quickly double check with your accountant or your local tax guidelines. Once you're confident about your selection, save your changes on the profile page. Zoho Books will now apply the new fiscal year setting to your organization, and your financial reports, such as profit and loss and balance sheet, will be aligned to this updated period going forward. And that's it. You've gone to books.zoho.com, opened the settings using the gear icon, navigated to profile, scrolled down to find the fiscal year section and changed it to match your needs. You can now continue working in Zoho Books knowing your financial year is set up correctly.